Hello, dividend executives. Welcome back. It is Monday. The stock market is open. We have a lot of buying power available. So let's review what happened. Let's make some trades. And let's continue to add some more money to this account. So you can see as of right now, we are all in cash. We have a little bit of TSL still left over. We are down for the day. For the week, we are up $258. For the month, same thing, about $257. For the last 3 months, $548. Year to date, $1,087 or 36%, which is when I started this account back in February. So the account is looking really good. We are completing will cycle number 2 on TSLL. We had our shares called away. We still have the odd lot available sitting here, the 1587. So we have 30 shares left available, and we are going to will right back in. So let's review. Let's get this trade in, and then we will review what happened. So we're going to trade options. We're going to click sell a put. Now, earnings are coming up next week, but we want to get back into this. So we could sell the 15 put, or we could sell the 15.5. We did just own the 16, and we sold it. But let's look at October just so I could show you the premiums. Yeah, look at these premiums. Crazy premiums. So we love to see that. So we have TSLL. We could sell the 15 put for $20, and then I want to show you one more play that we may potentially do as well, and that is on TQQQ. Whoops. This would give us a little bit better exposure. This is off the NASDAQ 100, a triple leverage fund. And if we did this sell the put here and we might actually do this. These premiums are pretty nice. We could go all the way down to a 0.17 delta for the 34. I think we're going to do, yeah, let's do this. We're going to switch it up a little bit, change the assets. And let's see how this one goes. So TQQQ, this is off the NASDAQ 100. It's a 3x leverage fund. And we could get $51 for this. So $3,500 in capital. We finally do have enough to do this. And just like that, we collected $51 in premium. So not too bad. So that put is out there. We have $146 of buying power. We will leave that available for the odd lots. If TSLL ends up moving up past our cost here, we will sell this. If not, I'll just continue to hold it. Don't worry too much. I'm not worried too much about it. But let's look at the history here. So like I said, we completed the will. What the will means, if you are new to that, it means you sold the put to enter, and then you sold a covered call once you got assigned the shares. And that's what we did. So we sold the put to enter. Let's scroll down here and see if we can find it. Right here. So we sold this put for $30 at the 16. We were assigned to 16, so it subtracted $3,200 out of our account. We have some odd lots. The TSL limit buy, you can see the odd lots. We were bringing down our average cost, as you saw, was under $16. So that's what we did. And then we sold the call there. That's $60 so far on the will. And then we sold another call for $50. So that's $110. And just like that, and then we bought some more odd lots. But just like that, we are out. They credited us $31.99.94. So basically that $3,200. We were in and out of the fund. So we bought it for $3,200, sold it for $3,200. We made $110 on the will. So not too bad. Stock lending payment, I guess, for 1 cent. So we are out of that will. We are out of our shares, and we went back into cash. And then now we sold that TQQQ put. More than happy to own TQQQ. It does move a little bit faster with the 3x leverage, but I believe in QQQ long term. It's one of my favorite funds. So if you have less capital, this is a great way to do it. So the account is looking really good. It's super simple, the strategy we're using here. We have quality assets. We sell puts on them. We collect income. If we don't get assigned, great. We'll sell a put the next week. If we do get assigned, great. Then we'll sell the call the following week. So, and then I use the odd lot strategy to move around my assignment costs. So far, this has worked really well for me. And you can't be mad about a 36% year. So that's really good. Let's actually look. If we look at TQQQ, let's just look at it for the year, what it's sitting at, or a 3 month. Let's go to TQQQ. Yeah, so for the month, it's down 10%. Last 3 months, down 7.4%. And the year to date, it's up 107%. So that's part of the strategy with the 3x funds, is if you think the fund's going to go up over time, which I believe in QQQ long term. QQQ is back towards that 390. So it's definitely possible that it could get back to there. And this fund could get. I mean, how high did we go before? Yeah, so we got into the 80s back in the last bull run. So very possible that this fund takes off again. But yeah, long term, I think this will be a good play, and that's what we're gonna play as of right now. So we are up on TQQQ. Not mad about that. These are almost there. I'm gonna continue to watch this throughout the week. We're right at my average cost right now. If I can offload these shares and get back into cash, I will. Obviously, I just do not want to sell them for a loss, and right now we're just right at break even. So I might actually let me just do this. I could just put a limit order in, and we could do sell all, and yeah, if we do 1588. That's above our cost basis because our cost basis was 1587. There we go, 1589. So we even made 2 cents on every share. Let's go. So we made 60 cents there. Not that I don't believe in TSLL. For me, I'm not worried about it. I just want to get back into cash, and I want to have more money available for TQQQ. So that if I do get a sign this week and all of a sudden we dip down to the 33s or the 32s, that I could just load up, that I got $600 worth of buying power, that I can bring my average cost down. So that's the strategy there, and that's what we're doing. So my goal every single month with this account is to make at least $100 of options income. You saw with TSLL, with the will, we definitely made the $100 of option income. We made $50 today selling this cash secured put on TQQQ, and or $51 today on TQQQ. The theta is going to decay at this each and every single day. We come down here, we see the theta sitting at 0.115, so 11.5 cents every single day if all things stayed equal, that this is going to decay away. And hopefully on Friday it expires worth this, or I get a sign. Doesn't really matter either or. But it's going to be a crazy week. We have CPI coming in this week, and we're going to have to keep our eyes on that to see how things go. But there's always buying opportunities in the market if we get dips. So we get prepared for that. And if we get into a bull run, then we kind of change our strategy a little bit. We sell less aggressive cover calls, and we let the shares run and appreciate. But so far, so good. So thank you, everybody, for tuning in. If you have any other small funds that you think I should participate in, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll check them out. Don't forget to leave a like. And thank you for the support. Happy investing. We'll see you later.